You searched how to buy shares of Baidu, Inc. ADR. Baidu is a Chinese technology company focused on search, cloud, and AI, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker BIDU. This guide is educational only and not financial advice. To buy BIDU, you need a broker account. I'll use eToro as a neutral example and show the process, and after registering, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an ID document, and then add funds to your account to place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker BIDU to locate the NASDAQ listing. Then select the result that matches Baidu, Inc. ADR to open the stock page. On the stock page, you will see basic information about the company and a price chart. Confirm the issuer and the NASDAQ listing to ensure this is the correct Baidu ADR. To buy, choose the Invest or Trade button, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and then confirm. If the market is closed, the order will be processed according to the platform rules, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before final confirmation. After the order fills, your position will appear in your portfolio. Check the description for the link if you want to follow the same example on eToro.